Hello, in this video I'm going to show you where to find warranty information on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same. So let's go to the settings, then you want to go to the general, and then you want to go to the legal and regulatory. So click on this one, and here you are going to find the third option called warranty. So let's click on this one. And now, as you can see, because I'm in Poland right now, so this is everything in Polish, you are going to find everything about the warranty, how it works, and where you can use it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.